Man, this mountain is starting to look bad. It is getting worse all the time. From the first time I viewed this mountain, where it was just a smaller crack, 20, 30 feet cliff, it is now 40 to 60 feet on that cliffside, and it seems like the whole mountain has completely collapsed on the top, and it's bulging on the bottom. Okay, so for those of you that do not know what's going on and what this is about, this mountain is called Rattlesnake Ridge. It's the very end of Rattlesnake Ridge, right where it is coming into Yakima in Washington State. This little quarry right here is what is, by most people's account, what is responsible for what's happening here. It's a mining operation for a gravel pit. They mined what they call the toe end of the mountain out and did not take care to properly mine it in the correct way, which created a fissure, a fault, and now a giant falling mountain of, we're talking over 100 million cubic feet of mountainside. It's huge. It started last October and it's just been slowly crumbling, but man, it is really starting to look bad. This little canyon here that looks like something you would see in Star Wars, it's just crazy. It used to just be a smooth, sloping hillside, and now it looks like something that you would film a movie about Mars on or something. They've got seismic measurement equipment all over this mountainside, checking to see how it's moving, how fast it's moving, where it's moving. But the crazy thing is right at the bottom of this hill is a freeway and a river. It could cross into the freeway very easily. It could go across the freeway and block up the river and cause even further problems upstream. Of course, everybody hopes that it crumbles in bits and pieces and never really causes any harm. But the longer this goes without big pieces of it coming down here and there, the worse this is going to be. They do have a retaining wall built out of concrete barriers inside of train cars, but that's not going to stop a big thing. That's going to stop rocks here and there, which is what everybody's hoping for. Anyways, guys, I do have a couple other videos on this that I will link at the end here to the first one, and you can go from there to the second one and see kind of how this has progressed. Also, there is another YouTuber that does not drone videos about this, but she does do daily or weekly updates on how it's doing that I will also direct you to in the description below. It is EZC Productions. Her name is Cindy. She does a great job. I only can get there every couple months and look at this. So in the meantime, please check her channel out and see how the mountain is doing at any time frame. Have a great day, guys. I hope you hope you enjoy. Please hit that like button. It does help me out. And I will see you guys in my next video. See ya.